I'm Audrey Johnson on The Audrey Johnson Show. I'm Audrey Johnson, coach with Audrey. I'm Audrey, personal touch PR. I'm Audrey, your Audrey, bringing you live here in New York, the winter. Big snowstorm. Didn't you remember when we were all young and your mom said to you, don't touch the stove, don't go outside? Well, here we are. We came outside because we want to bring it to you. We want to share with you the beauty of what we're experiencing every single moment at this very moment with you. The snow is coming down. The birds are flying. It's so beautiful to watch the white snow on the ground. And this is my yard. This is my office. And it is a stream of water. I watch it every day. You've seen me in the summer. But now it's filled with ice. And soon, in a couple of days, you will see everyone, millennials, young ones, everyone skating around right here. This is gorgeous. This is what you call God's country. Make it great again. Take on the day. Love you.